Imagine for a moment flying away from the warm golden sun. You pass red Mars, then giant Jupiter, and even icy Uranus. The light grows weak, and space becomes darker and darker. Suddenly, in the endless black, a blue world appears, mysterious and proud. You have arrived at Neptune, the darkest secret of our solar system. This is no ordinary trip. Neptune is far, far from home. It lies almost 3 billion miles from the Sun, a place where sunlight is just a pale memory. Here, the night is endless and deep. The stars shine sharp and lonely. Everything feels silent, cold, and ancient. Travelers to Neptune face a strange world. Its blue color glows against the darkness, and great storms rage in its clouds. The planet, cold and distant, waits with secrets hidden for billions of years. This is the last great planet before the solar system ends and true emptiness begins. Neptune is not just a planet, it is a mystery. It is a world of wild winds, hidden storms, and deep secrets. The journey here is a leap into the unknown, and the story of Neptune is the story of cosmic adventure. Neptune moves slowly around the Sun. 1 year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. It has not even finished one single orbit since it was discovered. Time here flows differently. Seasons last for decades. A day on Neptune is fast, though. The planet spins quickly, turning once every 16 hours. This fast spin makes Neptune bulge out at its middle, giving it a special flattened shape. For any visitor, time would feel strange. You could be born, grow old, and die before Neptune completed 1 year. The slow journey around the Sun is a reminder of how different and mysterious the outer solar system is. Neptune's slow orbit makes it a planet of patience. It keeps secrets for generations. Its icy blue clouds see centuries pass as it sails endlessly through the cold, black sea of space. Neptune may seem quiet from far away, but get closer and you will find a world of raging storms and wild winds. The fastest winds in the solar system roar here, up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's actually faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Great storms swirl in Neptune's clouds. Some are, believe it or not, bigger than our whole planet. Giant dark spots appear and vanish like cosmic hurricanes. The most famous was the Great Dark Spot, as wide as Earth, which disappeared without a trace after just 5 years. No one knows exactly why Neptune's weather is so wild. It is way too far from the Sun for warmth. Yet its storms are fierce and strong. Deep inside, something is stirring, sending energy up to the clouds. On Neptune, the weather is a mystery. Winds howl, clouds race, and storms come and go without warning. Even here, at the edge of the Sun's reach, nature's power is at its most dramatic. What drives Neptune's wild weather? Scientists believe the answer lies deep inside the planet. Neptune gives off more heat than it receives from the Sun. Something within is burning, even in the cold. Inside Neptune, the pressure is so high that strange things happen. Some scientists think it rains diamonds here. Deep below the blue clouds, carbon may be squeezed so hard it turns into shining gems, falling like rain through the darkness. Neptune's magnetic field is another mystery. It is tilted, twisted, and off-center, unlike any other planets. This field dances and shifts, making Neptune's space full of invisible storms and waves. Beneath the clouds, Neptune hides wonders we can barely imagine. Diamond rain, hidden warmth, and a wild magnetic heart. These are just a few of the secrets locked away in its frozen depths. Neptune has many moons, but one stands out: Triton. Triton is a world of ice and mystery. It is the coldest object ever measured in our solar system. Its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, and geysers of dark, icy dust sometimes erupt into its thin sky. Triton is special because it moves the wrong way. It orbits Neptune backwards against the planet's spin. Scientists think it was once a wanderer captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. Triton does not belong. It is a visitor, pulled from the deep past. This strange journey has doomed Triton. Each year it moves closer to Neptune. One day, in the far future, it will break apart. Its pieces will form a bright ring around Neptune, a final shining gift from a dying moon. Triton's story is one of capture, change, and fate. It is a reminder that even moons can have wild adventures and tragic ends in the vastness of space. Neptune stands as the final outpost of the solar system. Beyond it lies only cold space, filled with tiny icy worlds. To cross Neptune's path is to leave the Sun's warm family and enter the true unknown. Few spacecraft have ever visited Neptune. Voyager 2 flew past in 1989, sending back stunning images and new mysteries. Since then, Neptune has remained mostly alone, waiting for new explorers to come. From the edge of our solar system, Neptune looks back at the Sun and its many worlds. It is a border, a frontier, and a mystery all in one. To reach Neptune is to stand at the very edge of what we know. Neptune is more than just a planet. It is a reminder of how much we have left to discover. Its blue clouds, wild storms, and lonely moons show us that the universe is full of surprises. Standing at Neptune, you look into the darkness beyond. You feel small, but also curious and brave. Neptune tells us that there are still secrets out there, waiting for minds bold enough to find them. As we look to Neptune, we see the last light before interstellar space. It is a place of endings and beginnings. Neptune asks us to wonder, to explore, and to dream of what lies beyond the edge.